Welcome to this professional training module on supporting elementary-age students with profound intellectual disability. These students require continuous, one-on-one assistance for learning, communication, self-care, mobility, and emotional regulation. Today, we will focus on safety, sensory comfort, meaningful engagement, and functional life skills that promote dignity and connection. Students with profound ID may have extremely limited communication, often relying on reflexive sounds, eye gaze, or physical cues. They need full physical assistance for all daily tasks and show significant delays in motor, cognitive, and adaptive functioning. These students require specialized positioning and sensory regulation throughout the day, learning best through highly repetitive, hands-on, sensory-based experiences. The goal is meaningful engagement, not academic mastery. Every small moment of connection is progress. Predictability helps students feel secure and calm. Strategies include creating very simple, picture-based or object-based schedules. Use consistent routines for arrival, transitions, meals, and rest, and provide sensory supports like weighted lap pads, soft textures, and fidget items. Limit noise, harsh lighting, and overstimulating environments. An example activity is using an object schedule, where a student understands transitions using real objects. Communication may be nonverbal but still meaningful. Strategies include using eye gaze, touch cues, and hand-under-hand guidance. Offer two-choice communication using real objects and reinforce every attempt at communication, a look, a sound, a gesture. Maintain a slow pace, soft tone, and responsive interaction. An example activity is choice time, where a student chooses between two toys by looking, reaching, or vocalizing. Learning focuses on basic functional abilities and sensory exploration, not academic concepts. Practice hand-over-hand participation in simple routines. Use sensory-rich experiences like water play, textures, and gentle music, reinforcing skills like holding, touching, responding, and tracking. Break every activity into micro-steps. An example activity is a touch and explore tray, where a child explores soft, rough, warm, and cool items with guided support. Students need full assistance, but can still participate meaningfully. Use hand-under-hand support for feeding, washing hands, and wiping faces. Provide proper postural support using adaptive seating and establish calming routines before and after transitions. Involve the child in small ways, such as holding a napkin, touching soap, or pressing a button. An example activity is a hand-washing routine, where the student participates by touching the tap and pressing the soap dispenser with support. Students with profound ID thrive on warmth, connection, and sensory-safe interaction. Use gentle physical contact as appropriate and a soothing tone. Provide predictable partners for interaction and encourage peer awareness and inclusion through simple buddy roles. Watch for signs of stress, turning away, crying, stiffening, or avoiding touch. Remember, connection is learning. Comfort is progress. Close collaboration ensures consistent care. This includes a daily communication notebook between home and school. Shared sensory plans with occupational therapists and regular check-ins with physiotherapists for safe positioning are also crucial. Sharing small wins with parents helps build confidence. These supports create a unified approach to student well-being. Students need a highly adapted environment to ensure safety and dignity. Accommodations include adaptive seating, standing frames, or positioning wedges. A low-stimulation, predictable environment with one-on-one paraprofessional or special educator support is essential. Activities should be limited to small segments with frequent breaks, and safe mobility pathways and padded corners are vital. An example activity is a guided sensory station, where a student participates in one-to-one sensory exploration with full support. Students with profound ID learn through connection, repetition, safety, and sensory experiences. Your patience, consistency, and gentle guidance help them feel secure, valued, and connected. Thank you for creating classrooms where dignity, comfort, and belonging come first.